His Excellency High Commissioner of India in Fiji, the patron, president and members of India-Fiji Friendship Forum, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. Bulavinaka and a very good evening to you all. It is my honor to be here to launch the Youth Leadership Competition organized by the India-Fiji Friendship Forum. This is a commendable initiative in which I, as Minister for Youth, and my Ministry of Youth and Sports have a particular interest in. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm told that the India-Fiji Friendship Forum was formed in 2017 and since then has been engaged in numerous community activities to get the people of Fiji and India together. It works towards enhancing the beautiful cultural relationship between the two countries. As we are all aware of, Fiji and India have a special relationship, as Fiji is part of the Girmitia countries where indentured Indian labor was taken to from British India. The legacy of the indenture experience has meant that we share cultural and ties of origin. And this adds greatly to the diplomatic relations that binds our nations together. This relationship now goes back well over 140 years, dating back to 1879. Diplomatic ties between Fiji and India goes back to soon after Indian independence 75 years ago, when the first of the Indian High Commissions to Fiji was established. The first lot of the Indian High Commissions was also instrumental in organizing friendship activities between the two countries. And the Indian High Commission was among the first to organize substantial and ongoing programs for youths, and in particular through its scholarship programs, which I believe dates back to the early 1950s. And this program continued to expand and was responsible for all Fijians, including many Ethiopians who were able to study in India, and to participate in associated programs of youth exchange for education, cultural visits, and for conference and workshops. On this note, I thank His Excellency, the High Commissioner of India to Fiji, and the Indian High Commission for their effort in organizing exchange programs for our Fijian youth. Can we all put our hands together? Ladies and gentlemen, I know that since inception, India-Fiji Friendship Forum has organized regular programs on Holi, Easter and Diwali. It also has participated in a lot of social and charitable work in the country. In addition, they have worked with High Commission of India in organizing the International Yoga Day annually. Ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, their charity work has also been highly commendable. During the times of pandemic, instead of celebrating, the forum engaged in a lot of charitable work. Immense grocery packs were distributed in the informal settlement around Suva and the Nandi area during Diwali and Holi. It is in this context of ongoing work and innovations which I welcome their initiative to move out of its traditional role and do something for the most important population of the country, and that is the youths. the future and for the both countries. Ladies and gentlemen, youth in Fiji are defined as those between the ages of 15 and 35 years, which constitute about 32%, 285,000 of the total population. And that is in accordance to the census that was taken in 2017. Keeping that in mind, ladies and gentlemen, the India-Fiji Friendship Forum has decided to organize something special for our youths in tertiary education sector. And this is through their Youth Leadership Competition initiative. This will provide a unique opportunity and platform for university students to showcase their leadership skills. This will in turn create a pool of jobs with higher level of awareness for the benefits of corporate and private sector. The Youth Leadership Competition will be conducted, as mentioned earlier on, in a quiz format, where questions are based on 10 popular leadership skills frameworks. 4 teams, as mentioned earlier on, from the Fijian National University and the University of the South Pacific will participate in the competition. The main competition will be on the 17th of September at FNU Nasino campus. Ladies and gentlemen, it is for this purpose that we have gathered here under the forum banner for the launch of this contest. The forum is conducting this program to give these youths a platform, not only to participate and win, but to gain the attention Fiji's leading businesses who are always on the lookout for young, energetic leaders. I believe this is a commendable means of bridging the gap between education and employment, one of major concerns of my other ministerial portfolio of employment, productivity, and industrial relation. To gain their immediate attention, it is noteworthy that some of the leading businesses houses in Fiji have come on board to support the event. This is commendable, and I urge other business houses to come on board and play a proactive role in generating greater relevance in the fit between education and their requirements and needs as employers. I also note and commend the FBC, who have gladly joined in as the media partner. This year's competition will be on TV as delayed broadcast in episodes, and plan is to have it live in future. Ladies and gentlemen, during the competition, the top student from each university will also be recognized and rewarded with a certificate. In addition, 3 outstanding youth role models from the community will be honored on the day of the competition. It is also noteworthy that the India-Fiji Friendship Forum plans to take a similar concept to the secondary school system in near future, and I'm sure that this will also meet with high levels of participation from schools and support from the sponsors. The High Commission of India to Fiji is also very much part of this contest and has assured their full support as we celebrate their 75th year of independence this year. Ladies and gentlemen, India-Fiji Friendship Forum can be assured of the support of my ministry and the Fijian government towards this worthy venture. I commend this great initiative and have now much pleasure in officially launching the 2022 Youth Leadership Competition. Thank you and Vinaka.
7, 6, 5,